Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is episode 13 of Dilmas. Yay! So today I want to tell you about a website called Stage.com. I only heard about it a couple of days ago, and they have a sale going on right now that's called the One Big Sale, where you get an extra 50% off of mostly everything on the website, they say, as long as you use the code Big Sale. It's the last day for the sale, and it looks like it's the mother company of Beals, Goodies, Peebles, and one other store that I've never heard of, so I do not know how to pronounce it. And they also have free shipping going on for any purchase that's over $49. And if you have Ebates, they're partnering with Ebates, and you get 2.5% cash back as well on top of any discounts that you get when you shop at Stage.com. If you haven't heard of Ebates, you don't know how to use it, you don't know how to make this plugin pop up when you go to different websites, definitely check out my video in the description where I tell you how to use Ebates, and most definitely use my link in the description that says you will start off with $10 if you use it, and you will get $10 for just joining Ebates and adding your first card. So you don't spend any money, but you will get $10. But anyway, like I was saying, Big Sale is the code for the 50% off. They also have doorbusters. They also have $15 off of any fragrance purchase of $75 or more if you use the coupon code SCENT15. They have 70% off of holiday apparel, 75% off fine jewelry. They have a 60% off boot sale going on right now, and they also have online only. If you buy an e-gift card of $50 or more, they will give you a free e-gift card as well. It will be for lesser value than what you spend, but depending on what you spend determines the value that you will receive. But I want to go up and look at some men's items, let's say, since we don't normally look at men's items, so we can see some of these prices. Let's look at shoes. Okay, so you can see some of the prices here. Let's look from, I'm going to activate later. Let's look from low to high. Okay, and you can see that some things say spot on value. So this is just a discount that they're saying they're already applying. And if you have any kind of coupon codes, it will not take anything additional off of spot on values, nor will it take anything additional off of doorbusters, just a heads up. But you can see some of the prices and some of the items that they have to offer, a good variety of items at some decent prices. If you go over to the women, the women's section, and let's look at boots, since they have a 60% off boot sale going on right now. Here's a doorbuster, $27.99 for these boots. Let's categorize them. Let's sort them from low to high, like we did the men's. Okay, so these are on clearance for $20.99. You can get an additional percentage off with a promo code on just sale and clearance items. You wouldn't be able to get it on the spot on value item though. But as you can see, they have a variety in the boots and decent prices for them. This was very popular a couple of years ago, that sock style. And because the designer brand came out with something similar to that. But just showing you some of the items. I'm going to go ahead and add some to the cart. Let's just add this shoe that's on clearance. Then let's go ahead and add like a coat, jacket, or vest. That's a spot on value. I'm going to add the different items to the cart so you can see what I mean when you add the promo code. Add that to the bag. Let's go back to the front page. Let's find a doorbuster. Okay, let's say we want this cardigan. Completely sold out. Oh, there's still something. A blue one in the 2X. Add that to the bag. Then let's go to the cart. Now let's put in the code, big sale. We're starting off at 71.77. It took it down to 61.27 because, as you can see, the only thing that it marked down further was this clearance boot. The spot on value and the doorbuster was not affected at all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can head over to stage.com and take advantage of some of their sales and this promo code. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilma's video.